Hello everyone, welcome to Xinda Clover. I'm Summer. Xinda Clover was established in 1919 and has engaged in office furniture around 32 years. We focus on product design, production, sales, and service. We can provide you full set of office solutions. On my right hand, this is our dining table. For the tabletop, we use waterproof and oil-proof materials with the strong metal frame and good powder coating. Usually, most of the dining tables are with the straight edge, but this one, we use the circular arc design. Humanlity, safe is very important for our users. The lead time is around 20 days and small MOQ also available. After the dining table, we will see our student desk and chairs. Our principle is to provide you a happy campus life. So make the student desk and chairs, which is comfortable, safe, and ergonomic is very important. Please have a look at this hot cell student desk. We use the safety PP materials, have different colors options, depends on your design. Also, the details for this is really amazing. Look, this pen groove can avoid the pen fall downs. At the side, has the hook for the school bag. 7 different height adjustable can suitable for different grade students. For a modern classroom or training room, you may need this amazing eraser board. We call it K-board. It is a very simple and beautiful design. Can use a decoration product to divide the room space or writing on it and express yourself. It's very convenient while you're having a lessons or meeting. Also, the panel materials can choose with different colors. We will have lots of training or meeting every day, but if you don't have too much space or room, how could we do? We can provide you a good solution with the mobile training desk, which may be foldable or movable to combine as your inquiries. Flexible, changeable, comfortable, which makes your room more possibilities. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and welcome to contact with us if you are interested in our products. We will provide you more details. Have a good day. Bye.